Hello everyone, welcome back. We are trying to solve this question. Try to understand this question. Solve the following pair of equations. You have two equations. These two equations will be what? Your pair. Okay, pair of equations. And you have to reduce. Okay, you have to reduce them to a pair of linear equations. If you don't know what is linear equations, then go and watch the video based on linear equation made by me. Link given in the description box. Otherwise, you can tap on icon button and then you can know about what is linear equations. Okay? Now, and then come to understand this question, means come and try to understand the solution of this question. Basically, my dear student, what is written here? 1 by 2x and plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. So first write this one equation. First equation, 1 by 2x, okay, plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Now, can you take LCM of 2x plus 2x and 3y? What will be the LCM of 2x plus 3y? This will be what? 6xy. Now, divide by 2x in 6xy and then multiply that quotient in this numerator. So this will be what? 3y. Again, divide by 3y in this denominator 6xy, then you will get what? 2x, and multiply that 2x in this one, so you will have what? 2x is equal to what? 2. Now, my dear students, can you write here 1 because 1 is hidden here? Now then cross multiply this given things, so you will have 2x. Write this 2x first, 2x plus, and then write 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to, this will be what? 12xy. Okay, now you have what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12xy. This will be your what? First equation. This will be what? This is your first equation. Now write your second equation. This second part, second equation, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. I am writing this 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, now can you take the LCM of 3x and 2y? This will be same what? 6xy. Now do the same process just like this. So this will be what? 2y plus 3x is equal to 13 by 6. Now do the cross multiply here. So this will be what? 6 3s are 18x. 6 3s are 18x plus this will be 6 2s are 12y is equal to 13. 13 6s are 78xy. This is your what? Second equation. Now think, is really the coefficient of x and coefficient of this x is really same? No. Also think the coefficient of y in first equation. You have 3y. Here is your coefficient 3 and here is 12. So what will you do here? Basically we will multiply in this equation by 4 to get 12 as a coefficient of y, and we will multiply only by 1 so that it remains unchanged. Means what? Only 12y. Okay, dear student, so try to multiply here and write the whole two equations in this space. So I'm multiplying and writing here. Your first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12xy. So this will be basically 8x plus 12y is equal to 48xy. Okay, this was your first equation. Now, what is your second equation basically? Your second equation is 18x plus 12y is equal to 78xy. Okay, now subtract this. Actually, I had told you that in subtraction, sign what is changed. So this will be minus 10x and this will be what? Cancel out. Now this will be minus what? 880. This will be what? 7 minus 4. This is what? 30. So 30 plus 48 will be what? 78. So you have what? 7 minus 30xy. Now cross this xx and cross this minus signs. Now you have 10 is equal to 30y. Now cut this just like this. 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 30. Okay. What will be from here? The value of y will be what? 1 by 3. The value of y will be what? 1 by 3. Now put the value of y in any equation to get the value of x. So can you tell me what is your first equation? This is your first equation. Okay, and this is your second equation. Otherwise you can also do the one thing. What? If you don't want to put the value of y in equation first and in equation second, then you can directly put the value of y in this equation, otherwise in this. Okay, so I am going to put the value of y in this first part. Okay, first equation. So just let me write here this equation. This equation is now this equation is what? 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. This is the equation in which you have to put the value of y basically. So let me put the value of y. I wrote here just 1 by 2x plus this will be 1 by 3 into what is the value of y you got? You got actually 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Let me write in the bracket basically y is equal to we have got 1 by 3. Now cut 3 cancel this and now you have what? 1 by 2x is plus whole over you have only 1 whole over all over you have 1 is equal to 2. Now you will have just like this 2x is equal to only 1. This will be in subtraction form. 2 minus 1 this will be 1. Now so just place this 2 there. Otherwise you can multiply this. So write here 1. So this 1 and then do the cross multiplication here. 1 ones are 1 and 2x into 1 is equal to 2x. So all over this this is in the form of what? A multiplication in the product form. So this will go under the division. So the value of x will be 1 by 2. Okay, so you have actually the value of y is equal to 1 by 3 and the value of what? The value of x is equal to 1 by 2. So this was the exact or the right solution to this question. Still if you have problem, my dear students, and then you can share with me. You can write something in the comment box. Okay, and I will try my level best to answer the question asked by you. So that's all for this question and today.